cut through him like butter. What is good, y'all? If y'all have been locked in with your boy for a while, you know I've done quite a few Gundam related things, whether it be an animation for a Gundam, a trailer about a new Gundam series, even Armored Core 6. I relate that to Gundam because it's giant mechs. But today we have something called Months of Hard Work, fan-made Gundam movie, Mobile Suit Gundam Parallel Universe by Huge Akita. And this is my first time on their channel, so I don't really know what I'm about to get into. It's a fan-made, I guess, animation. I love fan-made stuff, bro. I do. So I should enjoy this. If y'all enjoy it, hit them with the goodness. That is, like the video, comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, share the video, lock it in by hitting the bell so that you get notified when they post again. That is the goodness. Hit them with it, and let's get to it.
Within the rift of parallel universes,
Hey, we got some voice acting.
the Principality of Zeon, blessed by divine power.
The flames look good on that.
Is this a harbinger of glory or a shadow of
Azaku just ripped a Gundam's head off.
of cosmic conquest is quietly approaching?
Nazis. That's what that flag reminded me
On
of.
the abnormal GN signal from Mars?
Not sure yet, but I think I'm getting close to the signal source.
There seems to be some strange gravitational fluctuations around it. Wait, watch your back.
So this is the portal connecting the parallel universe.
What's happening?
Damn,
Quiet.
I think I know what the abnormal signal is. Oh no!
What's going on?
His aim suck.
Ian, please respond. Hello? Hello? Commander, Ian appears to be under attack by unidentified mobile suit. Requesting force intervention.
Deploy Akita. Bring Ian back at all costs.
This sound fire. Wait, hold on. Huge Akita. So is that the name of the mobile suit? That a thruster?
Particle. Set to maximum dispersion mode.
It looked good. They need to make a.
Altitude.
I know it could be a lot of like controversy and kind of headbutting. They need to make an Armored Core-esque mobile suit. Crazy, bro. I made like my Gundam my AC was I themed it after a Gundam in that game. It was supposed to be Shining Gundam.
33,000 feet. ETA to combat zone in 10 seconds.
I know FromSoft will have some words for them though if they did it, unless they partner with From Software.
Command, it seems the Federation has a new Gundam.
It's crazy that this is fan made.
Your has been coming in. Close combat works in my favor. What the hell?
Ooh, cut through him like butter.
Target eliminated. Returning now. Over. Command, the QRF ETA 3 minutes.
Good, no chance. Okay, I was about to say, did you do everything so far? Yeah, yes. The voices. Every Gundam enthusiast. I won't say that I'm an enthusiast. Like I'm definitely not the most knowledgeable. I enjoyed it growing up. I want to get more into it. I've been, watching some things. I've been watching anytime a Gundam thing comes across my timeline, I'm definitely locking in on it. And I look as someone who doesn't consider himself an enthusiast. I enjoyed this, bro. I would like to see more. I know you said to be continued, which means you might have some more in the tuck, or you might be working on some more right now. And so this is a good, I guess, a good taste test, right? Like you know how what do they call it? A good sample of things to come. So with that, bro, look, if y'all liked it, bro, y'all can follow suit with your yeah, I'll definitely be keeping my eye on Huge Akita. Is that the name of that mech? Because I believe it's your name to the creator of this and Huge Akita on it as well. Is that what the name of that Gundam is? Hey, to see okay, I didn't realize how into mech I was until like Titanfall 2, bro. No, yeah, Titanfall 2. Because I realized I used to watch Gundam. I used to watch IGPX. I love Titanfall 2. I used to watch Zoids. And then I loved Armored Core 6, Fires of Rubicon. And like you list that out to somebody, they gonna be like, oh, so you're a very big mech. And Attack on Titan. No matter what anybody say, it's just a meat mecha anime. Fleshy mech anime. I like mechas, bro. It's weird because it's like I don't watch them a lot. But anytime I do like think about it, it's like I kind of check a lot of boxes. I don't know, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be like locked into Huge Akita whenever something pop up. Probably gonna be checking it out until the full thing pops up. If something significant comes out, like if it's just like a 1 minute update, I probably just gonna watch it on my time all the time. But if a part 2 or an official announcement of a series come out, y'all probably will be seeing my face right here. All right. But if y'all enjoyed it, again, hit them with the goodness. That's like, comment, subscribe, share. Lock it in by hitting the bell. That is the goodness. Hit them with it. And if y'all enjoyed my reaction, do the same for your boy. This has been your boy Reggie Wolf. I am signing out. Peace.